kind of thing. I kept on remembering. It's like there's a reason why I like to go to work early. I get there, half an hour, take a look around, see what's going on. You know, it's like, hey, how's this day going to start out? You know, it doesn't matter if I was in the office or table games. You just get out there and it's like, you know, hey, what am I looking at? Check the emails, knock those out of the way. Got any systems down? No, okay. Go check out the work orders. What do I got for work orders? Well, if there aren't any, do some research. Patch things. It didn't matter if I had a cigarette or not, you know. Sometimes like to, as I get to work, you know, it's like take a look around, have a cup of coffee. Cool. I got time to do it. I don't have to be rushing off to where I got to kick off the day at. I guess that's kind of like how I'll do any repairs and some other odds and ends and stuff, you know. I like to get the parts all together and stuff. Sometimes I don't have what I need, and sometimes I got to go get it. I like to stage things, you know, have things ready. What am I looking at for tools? What is it going to need? Speaking of tools, I got to get back and clean all mine, sort them all out, put spare parts on the shelf and stuff, so. Quick drink, Monster.